In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix's Contact Manager to keep track of leads. Wix's Contact Manager is a versatile tool designed to help you manage and organize your contacts and leads effectively. Whether you're a small business owner or a freelancer looking to streamline your contact management, this tool can be incredibly beneficial. So let's dive in and explore how to set it up and make the most out of it. First, you'll need to visit the Wix homepage and log into your account. This action takes you to the main dashboard where you have access to various tools and features. It's from here that you'll begin your journey to organize your leads efficiently. Once you're on the home page, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find the option labeled Customers and Leads. Click on that to enter the realm of your contact management system. It's like walking through a door into a room where all your valuable contacts reside. Now, click on Contacts to view the list of existing contacts. This section acts like a digital Rolodex, housing all the people who have interacted with your business. Feeling ready to add a new lead? Click on Create New. The interface will prompt you to fill out some essential information about your new contact. It's like crafting a detailed business card, ensuring all pertinent info is captured. First, enter the contact's name. Be meticulous here. Spelling mistakes can create confusion later on. After the name, proceed to fill in the primary email and phone number. These details are crucial as they serve as the main channels for communication. You'll also want to include the contact's address. This is particularly helpful if you're handling physical mail or deliveries. It rounds out the profile nicely, giving a more complete picture of the individual. Once you've entered all the necessary information, hit Save. This step commits your new contact to the manager, securing their details within your database. For additional functionalities, click More Actions. This option allows you to manage your contact in various ways, such as importing new contacts. This feature lets you integrate your existing contacts from other platforms seamlessly into the Wix Contact Manager. When importing, choose your method. Perhaps you have a CSV file or wish to sync from another service. Wix makes it easy to bring your data together. After importing, revisit the Contacts menu. Choose a contact for further actions, like editing details if needed. It's always reassuring to know that changes can be made easily. Towards the end of this setup, consider leveraging the Import/Export option. This tool is invaluable for backing up your data or transferring your contact list to another service or file. Lastly, assign labels to your contacts. Labels act as tags, allowing you to segment your leads effectively. It's an intuitive way to categorize your audience for specific campaigns or follow-ups. And there you have it. You've now set up a robust system for managing leads on Wix. With these steps, keeping track of contacts as your business grows should be a breeze. Happy managing!